Unlock your earning potential on your next delivery shift by mastering the art of running DoorDash and Uber Eats simultaneously. The first crucial step is to prepare your devices. Ensure you have both the DoorDash and Uber Eats driver apps installed on separate devices, like 2 smartphones or 1 phone and a tablet, and that both are fully charged and connected to a reliable internet source, either strong Wi-Fi or unlimited mobile data. Now, let's talk strategy. When both apps are active, you'll start receiving order notifications from both platforms. The key is not to accept the first thing that pops up. Instead, take a strategic pause to evaluate each offer. Look at the estimated payout, the distance to the restaurant, and the distance to the customer for both apps simultaneously. Check the estimated delivery time for each. You're looking for orders that are geographically close to each other or on a similar route. This minimizes dead mileage and maximizes your efficiency. When you get an offer on one app, don't immediately accept it. Quickly glance at the other app to see what's available. If you have a high-paying or conveniently located order on the second app, it might be worth declining or waiting a moment for the current offer. Prioritize orders where the pickup locations are near each other. If you get an order from Restaurant A on DoorDash and another from Restaurant B on Uber Eats, and Restaurant B is just a block away from Restaurant A, that's a golden opportunity to stack those deliveries. Once you accept an order, immediately check your other app for new offers. If you're en route to a restaurant or already have food in your car, consider accepting a new delivery that starts your next journey from your current location or is on your way to the customer's destination. This is called stacking orders. Be mindful of the time. Don't let an order on one app take so long that it causes you to miss the acceptance window or be late for an order on the other platform. Communication with customers is also key. If you're running a little behind due to stacking, a quick message can go a long way. By intelligently juggling offers, prioritizing efficient routes, and stacking orders strategically, you'll significantly boost your income and become a true gig economy pro.